Hi guys, and welcome back to another week of time with Miss Shah. Well done to all those of you who sent in their work last week. You've done great work with time. We're going to do it for another week, hopefully, and then we'll move on to our next topic. Yes, so for today's session, like always, you're going to need your pencil, paper, and to access the worksheets at the end. Sometimes the worksheet might not be placed in the correct place under the math section, so it's worth looking through the other subjects. Sometimes they're accidentally put in the wrong place by Miss Yadav. As you know, there's a lot of online stuff going on, so bear with us if something's put in the wrong place. They are all on the website, so have a scroll through finding it on another page. So your today's date is 15/06/20, and the learning intention is to solve problems involving converting from hours to minutes, minutes to seconds. Make sure you write the date and a line. Okay, so for your starter, I want you to pause the video and try and make 237 using the following numbers. You can only use these numbers once. Pause the video for around, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 minutes, however long you want, and then wait for my answers. So this is how I worked it out. You do 100 plus 50 times 2, which is 200. And you do 6 times 7, which is 42, minus 5, you get 237. Okay, so there are 60 minutes. This is the key, 2 sentences that you need to remember throughout this whole lesson, or, just general when it comes to time. So you need to remember that there are 60 minutes in an hour and there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay. So bearing that in mind, what I want you to do is pause the video for the next few minutes and try and work out the following few questions. So remember, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour and there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Pause the video and have a go at completing this table. If you may, you can draw the table out in your book. Okay, so here are the answers. There are 80 minutes in 1 hour and 20, because 1 hour is 60 minutes plus the 20. That's 65. 1 hour is how long? Good, 60 minutes. 95. Excellent. Now, and vice versa. Okay, so now using the greater than or less than or equal to sign, make the following statements correct. So what you can do is pause the video, draw the following table. Remember, when you're using the greater than or less than signs, a crocodile always eats the bigger number. So what you have to do is convert 2 hours and 24 minutes into minutes to see if it's more than 150 minutes, or what you could do is convert the 150 minutes into hours and minutes, so then you can compare. So remember, you have to make both of them the same, either hours or minutes, in order for you to then compare it. And that's the same thing you do with the 85 seconds. You do it convert it to minutes or seconds. Remember, 1 hour equals 60 minutes and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So pause the video for another few minutes and see if you can convert the following times. Okay, so let's go through the answers now. So 150 minutes, so 2 hours and 24 minutes. So 2 hours equals 60 plus 60, which is 120. Plus 24 gives us 144, which is less than 150 minutes. Now 85 seconds is the same as 1 minute 25 seconds, because 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we do 60 plus the 25 seconds, which gives us 85 seconds. Now 3 hours is how many minutes? Work it out. Good. 3 hours is 3 times 60, which is 180 minutes. 250 minutes, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 4 hours? Okay, so 4 hours equals 4 times 60, which is the same as 4 times 6, which is 240 minutes. And 250 minutes is more than 240. And you've got your last one. Okay, so what you're going to do now is pause the video again and just find the odd one in each group of times. And you need to also be able to explain your reasoning. You can write your reasoning on your piece of paper, or just repeat it in adult, or say it out loud. Which one of these 3 statements is the odd one out in each alphabet, A, B and C? So each alphabet has one odd statement. Okay, so after you pause the video now, let's go through the answers. The other times equals 135 seconds. So the odd one out is 125 seconds. Now the odd one out here is 3 minutes and 3 seconds, because the other times equal 210 seconds. The odd one in this one is 4 3/4 minutes, because the other 2 times equal 280 seconds. Okay, so Tessa rides her bike for 1 hour and 9 minutes. Todd rides his bike for 70 minutes. Thomas rides his bike for 1 hour, 1¼ hours. Thomas thinks he rode the bike for the longest of time. Is he correct? And explain your answer. So what I want you to do is now pause the video and figure out in minutes how many minutes Tessa rode her bike for, Todd, and then Thomas. And then once you have converted between the three times all into minutes, you'll be able to then figure out who has rode their bike for the longest. So Tessa rode it for 69 minutes, Todd 70 and Thomas 75. Thomas is correct, as he rode for 75 minutes and Tessa and Todd rode their bike for less. Okay, so look at this table over here. 3 children took part in a sponsored walk to raise money for the NHS. Complete the missing information in the table. So pause the video for another 3 to 4 minutes, and what I want you to do is complete the table using the times that have been given in the following boxes to complete the empty boxes. So the answer here is 21 minutes and 40 seconds, 23 minutes, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now what I want you to do is, this is a purple pen challenge. I want you to work this out. What was the difference in seconds between the person who walked the longest time and the person who walked the shortest time? So the answer is 3 minutes, 20 seconds and 200 seconds. 3 minutes and 20 seconds and 200 seconds the shortest. Okay, so your activity for today is to complete the activity sheet on the website, year 4 maths, and it's labelled with the date. You either choose challenge 1 or challenge 2. Good luck, guys, and do email us if you need any help, or if you still confused, or if you have any queries. Thank you, good luck, and bye guys.